My phone's on 5%, so we have to do this fast. Yes, I did turn myself into a Christmas tree. And what about it? Take off our decorations like normal humans because we don't leave them up until March. Now this is probably gonna... Oh, wow. Girl, oh my god. Okay, this one. Oh, no. Oh, perfect. This is cemented to my face. I literally got a free face wax. I can't tackle these right now. We have to wait. The neck is gonna... Oh, wait. Maybe it all hurts. Pretty sure I have hair stuck in this one. Oh, yeah, I definitely do. Look at my hair. That's bad. Okay, I can do this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, that was all. Bye. It's me, Mario, and we're gonna be taking off this makeup. So I actually have an event that I have to go to. Not only do I have to take this off, but I have to put more makeup on. Mario would slay harder, though. Do I just wear this? Be honest. This looks crazy from far away. Well, hours of hard work, gone. I'm actually really sad about this. Let's take the mustache. That came off really easy. Goodbye, mustache. The mouth. I think this look turned out really cool. I haven't done any like illusion type makeup looks in a while, but I had a lot of fun doing it. More to come, so if you have ideas, let me know. And let's say goodbye to the eyeball. Look at his iris dripping down my face. Wipe away those tears. His little banana eyebrow. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. I may be going blind. My contact has so much paint in it. My eyebrows have been through so much recently. Full-length video of how I did this on my YouTube channel, by the way. Thanks for watching. I gotta go. I gotta take this off quick. I have a new cleaning lady coming to check out my house. She's literally 2 minutes away. She's just coming to check out the house today and give me a quote on like how much it would cost. Just cause I am not a clean and tidy person. I know, shocker. So I think a little bit of help would be good for me. Just like mopping the floors and stuff. I have to answer the door with this on my face. She's literally gonna quote me $1,000. There is not a dollar amount on earth that she would probably clean my house for if I look like this. I am like really struggling to get this off. Oh god. Neck reveal. Turn that frown upside down, mamas. Look, there's like an indent where the smile was. I already say that I was a noob from Roblox. If you don't know, now you know. Wipe that away. This is why I don't have a boyfriend. Ow. I look like I just came out the womb. My eyelashes are kind of cool. I'm gonna go wash my face and probably cry.
Take off my makeup with me, Grinch edition. I was just out in the snow. I have a shirt on, I swear. So it's already like coming off. Here's my neck. This is really a look right here. This is like if the Grinch was a Karen. Get the hat off. The sideburns. Oh my god. I really thought this wasn't gonna hurt. This is not going well. There's just hair everywhere. Guys, I'm actually getting scared. I'm stuck in here. Ah, we're getting somewhere. My baby hairs and eyebrows are gonna be completely gone. Oh, I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. Grr. Let me get these contacts out. I can see. This is gonna hurt. I have never gotten that off in one try before. Like I'm actually shocked. Now I'm gonna spray some makeup melt and rub that in. This is definitely gonna stain my face. Now I'm taking my makeup towel and wiping that off. I'm only slightly stained pink. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, scary toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh. I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the tooth fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. It's 2 a.m. and we decided to do a photo shoot. And I glued matches to my face.
using latex. So you already know this is not gonna feel great. Ow. Also, I definitely burnt my thumb. Ow. Ow. Oh, that one ripped out some hair. Ooh. I've already done like 3 makeup looks today. I'm in my working era. And last one. I also need to run a brush through my hair so bad. I wet it for the photos because I thought it would be cute and aesthetic. And now it's just super tangled, so. I also never do my makeup this dark, but I love it. For like a super dramatic moment. That is scary. Also, I never want to wash out my eyebrows. I love when they stick straight up like that. Now, are my lips this big or did I overline them? I'm going to bed. Take off my makeup with me, Creeper edition. We need to do this quick. It is in fact 2 a.m. and I have to wake up at 6 for a call tomorrow. I painted this myself. Ready? This feels illegal. Here's the full fit. Look at the feet. And here we go. I've literally been working on this look since like 1 p.m. I went and bought the costume and the foam for the face, documented it in a YouTube video that you need to watch. Also, I went to the house from Good Luck Charlie. See? And I'm exhausted. I like haven't drank a glass of water in like 24 hours. And I'm like seeing things. But I didn't want to mess up the paint on my mouth. So I dehydrated myself. Are my eyebrows okay? Like, I don't think so. I'm gonna go shower and go to bed. Please pray for me. Appreciate ya.
Take off my makeup with me, scary puppet doll edition. Gotta get rid of these contacts because oh wow, I literally can't see. Okay, I'm so over these pigtails. Gotta get these fat lashes. Here we go. Oof. Gotta get the other side. The other side, the other side, the other side of me. Oof. The lips. Alright guys, it's all off and my skin is looking flawless underneath. So I'm gonna go. But thanks for watching. I literally look like a bug that just got hit with a fly swatter, but I'm gonna be wiping on my makeup. Well, I'm not actually wiping on makeup. I wiped off my makeup and put it in reverse. But if I could wipe on makeup like this, that'd be a pretty nifty skill. But anyways, I'm throwing this bad boy in reverse because y'all said that girls would give me 100,000 likes if I did it. So here it is, TikTok. Please put me on the For You page. Like, come on. Please. I'm begging you. Take off my makeup with me, snowman edition. Gotta get this scarf off and this hat, the wig. All right, let's get this nose off. Look at this. Do we think this is gonna rip my eyebrows off? A little more on my nose. I'm gonna try and wipe it. This is not coming off my nose. I'm gonna go shower. Get unready with me, special effects makeup. This is about to hurt so bad. It looks so weird. Let's get these contacts out. There we go. Thanks for watching. It is time to take this off. Let's get these contacts out. Perfect. I already know this is gonna be a lot of pain. Let's get the forehead. I'm gonna spray it with some of that. Let's try this again. I can't. It's stuck. Oh my god. Thanks for watching.
Take off my makeup with me. So I have these fake little nails on, but they were too big, so I had to shove stuff in the back. So let's get these off. Wig snatched. Let's see if I can, oh wow. And number 2, wow. This literally took so long, and I've had it on for like 5 seconds. Taking some cleansing balm, and I'm just gonna rub that in. Get the other side, the nose. Oh wow. Get the neck. Now let's wipe. Look at those eyebrows. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. Did I scare you? Let's start with these massive contacts. Wow. Oh, it's stuck. Oh wait, I got it. This should be fun. Ow, my hair, it's in my hair. Ow. Who wants it? Doing a giveaway. It doubles as a really cute bracelet. Get these gems. Wow, they're stuck. Ow. Cleansing balm. Goodbye, hard work. We're just gonna wash away all of my hours. I look like the red M&M from the commercials. Taking my makeup eraser. Look at that. I think my face is stained. Thanks for watching.
It is time to take this makeup off. Let's get these contacts out. Okay, great. Love that. Ow. I heard that if you use tape, that glitter comes off easier, so I'm gonna test that out. Okay. That literally got all of it off. Like before and after. I'm gonna do this side too. Getting the forehead. I think that's pretty good, so now I'm gonna start wiping it off with my makeup towel. Get the lips. Thanks for watching.
I will never understand why you guys blow up the videos of me taking off my makeup in reverse. Like, I don't even know why I bother making videos of me putting on the makeup at this point. Honestly, I should just put it on, leave it there for 2 seconds, and then wipe it off and throw it in reverse.
Take off my makeup with me, Spider Edition. This is the first time I've ever used this contact lens, and I just got my nails done yesterday, so I'm kind of scared to take it out. Okay, we're good. Not as hard as I thought. Let's give it a little spray. Oh gosh, I think I got it in my eyes. Oh no. I can't see, so I'm just gonna start wiping and hope that something's happening. Oh my, I have so much stuff in my eye right now. Oh, I mean, I got most of the paint off, so I think I have to go wash my face.